This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Town Realty property video is presented by Mona Gabriel. Updated 4-bedroom and unit townhouse is ready for new owners. This home was completely remodeled in 2017 with a new roof, siding, windows, electrical, HVAC, water heater, kitchen, baths, appliances and flooring. Come enjoy the spacious floor plan with LVP flooring and new paint. Enjoy the owner's ensuite with walk-in closet, and an additional sitting area would be perfect as a nursery or office. There are 2 additional bedrooms on the second floor with 1 full bath. The comfortable first floor den could be used as a bedroom. Sit outside on the private patio and listen to the birds chirping. There is a large shed for extra storage. Close proximity to shopping, bases and expressways. Don't miss your opportunity. April 30th, 2024. For more information, review the details below.